Good morning, dear students. Today we will do chapter 28. The name of chapter is What is the Answer? This chapter is of unit Thinking and Number Skills. Chapter number 28. This is given on page number 39. So open your GK book, page number 39. So now I'm starting with the question number 1. As the name of the unit is Thinking and Number Skills, so there are some problems have been given in this chapter. You have to read it, apply your mind and then solve it. I'm solving here for you, so you also try to solve with me side by side. First question is, a carpenter was in terrible hurry. He had to work as quickly as possible to cut a very heavy 10-foot plank in 10 equal sections. If it takes 1 minute per cut, then how long will it take him to cut this plank in 10 equal pieces? So this is the length of this plank. The carpenter wants to cut it in the 10 equal sections. Already I have done here the markings and I have made here 10 equal sections. So let's see how much time carpenter will take to cut this plank into 10 equal sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 equal sections. Let's say if he cuts one, for one cut, okay, he is taking 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9th cut, he will have 10 equal pieces. So how much time it took him to get the 10 equal sections? The answer will be 9 minutes. Now move on to the second question, but before that I will discuss this and then I will explain the second one on board. In this sequence, in the square given here, a rule applies both from top to bottom and from left to right. We have to find that rule and figure out the missing number. Okay, I already have written here answer. So we have to find here what will be what will come in place of this question mark. So we have to find out that rule. So here we can see here 6 written, 2, 4. So it is very clearly visible. 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Same rule from top to bottom. 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Now check in this row. 4 minus 0 is equals to 4. Here also 4 minus 0 is equals to 4. So if here I want to get the number, so what I will have to write? I have to write here such number so that I can get here 0. If I will subtract this number from the first one. So what will be here? So 2 will come. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Top to bottom also 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So here answer is 2. Now let's move on to the second question. The second question is, which number when added to 5 by 4 gives the same result as when it is multiplied with 5 by 4? So here I can let's assume the number x. If x it is added to 5 by 4, okay, and if this x it is multiplied to x by 4, the result will be same. The result will be same. So let's try to solve it. So if you will take LCM, then it will be 4x plus 5 divided by 4. It will be 5x by 4. Now do the cross multiply. So it will be 16x plus 20. This is equals to 20x. So now I will bring the 16x on the other side. So 20x minus 16x. So here it will be 4x. This is 20. So here x is equals to 20 by 4. So the 5 will be our answer. So our answer will be 5. Very easy calculations. Okay, so answer is 5. So let's now one time verify it. If here I write 5, do it like this. 5 plus 5 by 4. If you will solve it, if we take LCM, so it will be 4, 5 here. So it will be 25. If I will take LCM and solve it, I will get 25 by 4. If I multiply 5 with the 5 by 4, so the answer will be 25 by 4. So we can see. So the answer 5 is that number if it will be added to 5 by 4 or if it will be multiplied with 5 by 4, both the results will be same. Now let's move on to the next. A snail is at the bottom of a well and he wants to get out. He manages to crawl up the wall 3 feet each day, but at night he must rest after all that work during the day, and so he sleeps back down 2 feet. If the well is 30 feet deep, how long it will take him to get out? So let's try to solve it. Very, very easy question answers. So the next is fourth one. Let's draw here roughly I am drawing a well here. How much is the depth? There is one snail is there at the bottom. How much is the depth? He wants to come here on the top. 30 feet. It is 30 feet deep. If he comes, every day he is crawling up 3 feet up. Okay, 3 feet up. And then at night he is doing rest, because of which he is slipping down and he is coming back 2 feet down. Okay, so what will be the overall results? 3 feet up, 2 feet down. So overall, in one day he is covering how much? 3 minus 2. How much he is covering? 1 feet. So what is the result after one day? So after one day, how much he is able to cover up? After one day, he will be able to cover 1 feet. Okay, so he will be able to cover 1 feet. So let's say I know that when he will reach up to, so he will keep on moving like this. So when he will reach up to 27 feet, when he will reach up to 27 feet. So after that, so in how many days he will cover this much distance? After 27 days, he will have covered how much? 27 feet. Okay, so 27th day. Okay, after 27 days, it's not so clear here, I have written there. Okay, so I hope this is clear. I have written here. So 27 feet he has covered in 27 days. I know that next day he will move how much? 3 feet up. He will reach 3 feet up, or you can write this side. So he will reach 3 feet up next day. So after 28 days, he will be on the top. Okay, he has gone outside. So that's why after 28, on 28th day, we will not consider the slipping back portion, because on 28th day, at the end of the 28th day, he has covered 27 plus 3, that is 30 feet, and he has come out of the well. So what will be the answer? So our answer will be 28 days. So what is the answer? How long it will take him to get out? So answer will be 28 days. How many days took him? Answer is 28 days. Next is, what is the missing number in this arrangement? This arrangement has been given in your book on the page number, in the question number 5. So here, question number 5, this arrangement has been given. So if you will try to find out the rule, which rule is being followed here. So in the first line, or you can say in the first row, what is the rule? First number, okay, whatsoever number is given on the first here. So multiplied by 1 plus 1. Okay. In the second line, the rule is, this is x. Wait, let me erase. This is x into 2 plus 1. X into 3 plus 1. X into 4 plus 1. Means they are asking us that what will come in the place of the question mark. So you can see on the first line, if you will check this rule, first number is 1. If you will, in the first line, what is the rule? Multiply the number by 1 and then add 1. So we can check. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1. 2 we will get. Then 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 we will get 3. So like this, rules have been applied, different rule in the different lines. So we have to solve what will come in the last line here, at the last box. So the rule is this, x into 4 plus 1. So you can check, you can verify it. So 1 into 4 plus 1, what we got? 5. This 5 will come here, 5 into 4 plus 1, this will be 21. It will come here, 21 into 4 plus 1. So it will be 84 plus 1, 85. Okay, so now after 85, what will come? This is the question. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So I am erasing it this side. So now 85 into 4 plus 1. If you will multiply 4 into, it will be 340 plus 1. So the answer will be 341. So this is our answer. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Water lilies double in an area every 24 hours. In spring, there is one water lily on a lake. In 60 days, the lake is completely covered with lilies. How many days did it take to cover half of the lake? So they are saying water lilies are getting doubled after 24 hours. Okay. So let's say today there is one water lily on the lake. Next day there will be two. The next day there will be four. So like this, the number of the water lilies getting doubled. So they are saying in 60 days, means on 60th day the lake is completely covered with the lilies. Okay. They are asking how many days did it take to cover half of the lake. On 60th day, the lake is covered with the water lilies. Okay. So, one day before, the number of water lilies will be, how many it will be? Then it would have been half. If today is half, the next day it will be double. Okay. If today the lake is half, it is half covered with the water lily, then next day it will be full, because next day it is getting doubled. So they are saying in 60 days lake is completely covered with the lilies. So in 59 days the lake, so it took 59 days to cover half of the lake with the water lilies. So here answer will be 59 days. Next is a bird has a head 12 centimeter long. The tail is equal to size of the head plus half of the size of the body. The body is the size of head plus tail. How long is the bird? So this we will have to solve. So let's see. This we will have to solve. Now this is the 7th question. So what they are saying, bird has a head. So the length of the head will be 12 centimeters. It is 12 centimeters. The tail is equal to the size of the head. If we talk about the length of tail, okay, let's represent it by T. It is head. What is the length of head? It is 12 plus length of the plus size of the body. If I assume length of body is equals to x, let length of the body is x. So they are saying length of the tail, it is equal to the head plus half of the size of the body. If body is x, so it will be x by 2. So it will be x by 2. Next they are saying the body is equal to the size of the head plus tail. If body is x, length of body is equals to, which is x, this is equals to size of head. What is the size of head? This is 12 plus size of the tail. What is the size of tail? This. So what I will write here? 12 plus x by 2. What is this? This is x here, this side. So this is, when we will solve it, x is equals to 24 plus x by 2. If I will bring this, if I subtract x minus 2 from x, so the answer will be, it is 24 here. So it will be, let me solve it here. So it will be x by 2 is equals to, so it will be x by 2 is equals to 24. If I will cross multiply it, 24 into 2, so it will be 48 centimeters. So what is the length of the body? This is 48 centimeters. Now the question is, how long is the bird? If I have to find the overall length of the bird, then I will have to add head plus body plus tail. So now I am erasing it, or I can do it this side also. So the length of body is equals to, it will be head plus body is x plus tail is equals to t. Head means this was 12. So here I can write 12 x is equals to 48. So 12 plus 48 plus tail is equals to 12 plus x by 2. If I do here 48 by 2, it will be 24. 24 plus 12, it will be 36. So here I can write 36. 36 plus 12 will be 48. 48 plus 44, it will be 96. So the answer will be 96 centimeters. If you have any confusion, I can erase it here and let me do it here again for you. So the length, let me erase it so that it will be so clear to you. So the length of body, head plus body plus tail. Head is equals to 12, body is equals to 48. We got now x is equals to 48. We had got x is equals to 48 centimeter. So tail is equals to 12 plus x, which is 48 by 2. So we will cut it. So it will be 24. 12 plus 12, 24 plus 48 plus 24. If you will add on all this, 24, 24, 48, 48 plus 48, it will be 96 centimeters. So our answer will be 96 centimeters. Last question is, a student got thrice as many sums right as he got wrong. If he attempted 96 sums in all, how many did he solve correctly? So let's try to find out the answer for this. It's very easy question. Pause the video and you try on your own. So the 8th question is, if a student has done, let's say, wrong sums is equals to x. Why we have assumed wrong sums is equals to x? Number of wrong sums. Why I have assumed it? NO means number here. Number of wrong sums is equal to x. Because they are saying a student got thrice as many sums right as he got wrong. If I assume number of wrong sums is equals to x, then the number of right sums, it will be 3x. Okay. So 3x right sums plus wrong sums is equals to total number of sums. So I can add it x plus 3x is equals to total number of sums, that is 96. So it will be 4x is equals to 96. We will cut it. So 4 2s are here, 2, 4. So the number of wrong sums, x is equals to 24. That means number of wrong sums is equals to x. So how many will be the number of right sums? Number of right sums will be, it will be 3x. It will be 3x. That means 3 into 24 is equals to 72. So this is the answer. I hope this is clear. So dear students, here chapter 28 is over. This is all for today. Thank you.